Hey folks, welcome to the channel. If sleep mode is not working in your computer and you wish to fix it, then watch this video. Now the first thing we need to check if the sleep settings are enabled or not, and if they are enabled, how long they are enabled. So we need to right click on the start button, go to settings, and then we need to click on system, click on power and battery, and click on screen and sleep. So here on battery power, put my device to sleep after. So if it's never, or if it's quite long, like say for 1 hour, then we need to bring it down so that you can observe the sleep mode come into effect. And same thing here, if it's on never, or if it's after quite some long time, we will keep it at 5 minutes, say, and it should start working. Now the second thing, solution is we can put in a command on the power terminal shell. So we'll look for terminal and right click on it, click on run as administrator, click yes, and we will input the command power cfg space slash request requests, and we will press enter, and this should fix the issue. Now the third option is to disable the fast startup. So we will press Windows and R, and we will enter the command powercfg.cpl, powercfg.cpl, press enter, and we will click on choose what the power buttons do, and we will change settings that are currently unavailable because we need to turn off fast startup. So we'll change settings that are currently unavailable, and we will make sure that this box is unchecked. If it is checked, then uncheck the box, click on save changes, and then exit. Now we also need to disable the or enable the default power plan. So what we can do is, again we need to press the Windows and the R button, enter the same command powercfg.cpl, press enter, and click on change plan settings, click on restore default settings for this plant, click on yes, and this should resolve the issue. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.